This Thanksgrilling series, it's going to be huge.
You can't miss out on this.
Not this one.
Shoot, yeah, those Kingsford Pellets provide the best flavor.
Oh, yeah.
Let's get it started.
Hey, what's up, whiskey fans? Are you looking for a drink to smoke this holiday season? Well, look no further. We've got a delicious smoked cinnamon sour that we're going to show you. We're going to utilize the recteq RT590. We're burning the Kingsford hickory pellets today to give it a delicious, amazing amount of smoke. Don't worry if you don't have a pellet grill. You can also use a culinary smoking gun. That's right, we're also going to show you how to smoke the whiskey with that as well. All right, first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our delicious bourbon here. We're going to take it outside, place it on the RT590. We're going to let it sit and get a delicious Kingsford hickory smoke bath for about 45 minutes to an hour. All right, we did just smoke this in the RT590, 180 degrees using the Kingsford hickory pellet, but we're also going to put some more smoke on top of it as well using our culinary smoking gun. Make sure you follow Kingsford and recteq and subscribe to their YouTube channels as well for more amazing content this holiday season.